All right, number 6, pick up 6. Find the area of a shaded region. You want to do the area of the outer shape minus the area of the inner shape. So my big one is 9 times 12, which is 108. The smaller one is 6 times 3, smaller rectangle, which is 18. So the shaded is 108 minus 18, which gives me 90 centimeters squared. All right. Number 7. Number 7, the circle with a diameter of 7, so that means the radius is 3.5. 7 divided by 2 gives me 3.5. Remember, radius is half of the diameter. Find the area, pi times radius squared. 3.5 squared is 12.25 pi units squared. Wow. That was fun. So much fun. All right. If the area of a circle is 36 pi inches squared, what is the length of the radius? So area is pi r squared. Now it's telling me it's 36 pi equals pi r squared. Well, some of us can just see it right away. Some of us see this mathematical part. The pi's cancel out. So r is just 6. How did I get that? Because then r squared would be 36. And I would square root both sides and get r to be 6. Some of you may be able to see that right away, just by knowing that square root of 36 is 6. I'm going to try to finish the rest of these, so if you need to skip around, feel free to skip around. All right, find the area of the kite. To find the area of the kite, I need to know the length of both diagonals. I have the length of this diagonal here, but I need the length of this one as well, so I need to call that x and that x. I have a right triangle. 5 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. Oh wait, this is one of our triples, 5, 12, 13. If you didn't see it, I'll do the work. There you go. I got 12. So that makes both of these pieces 12. So the area is diagonal 1, so 12 times 2 gives me 24. Times the other diagonal, so 5 plus 16 is 21, all over 2, which I got is 252. I wrote inches down? Units squared. Oh, I cut some part of that out. All right. Find the area of the whole shape, find the area of the whole shape. To find the area of the triangle, I need the base and the height. So I need to find this base here. Some of you may know the triple 3, 4, 5. If not, I can do the work. Just recognize that 5 is the C since it's across from the right angle. So I got 3. So the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 3 times 4 over 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Area of the rectangle is just 3 times 2, which is also 6. So the total area is 12 units squared. I like those problems. Another shaded region problem. All right, well, it gives us the radius of the circle. Remember, we're going to do the outer minus the inner. Does it give us the radius of the circle? That's good, but we need to find the length of this side here. Well, I know this is 12, which also makes this 12. So that makes this whole side 24. So to find the area of the square, I do 24 squared, which is 576. Yeah. Then the area of the circle is pi 12 squared, which is 144 pi. Now the area of the shaded region, I could write it 2 ways. I could do 576 minus 144 pi units squared, or I could actually figure out that decimal. Some of us like to put that into our calculator and get 123.61. units squared. Both of these, all right, will work. I'll take either one. I'll take either one. Oh, we'll keep going. Let's keep going. Number 12, we're flying. This is just a plug it in, plug it in. Area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. Don't do the Pythagorean theorem. Here's the base. Here's the height. Area equals 3 times 5.9 over 2, which is 8.85 meters squared. 13. Work backwards from the triangle. Base times height divided by 2. So the area is 26.1 equals base is x times height of 5.8 divided by 2. Again, some of us like to divide the 5.8 by 2, and that's fine. I'm going to clear it out and just multiply both sides by 2. That's what I like to do. That's 52.2 equals 5.8x. Divide both sides by 5.8. So x equals 9 miles. Wow, we're flying. Last question. Here we go. Find the area of the sector, FED. So here's my sector right here. Our area of the sector is arc. The angle is 60, that means the arc is 60 over 360 times pi, radius, which is 10 squared. 10 squared is 100. 60 over 360 is 1/6. All right. So 100 divided by 6, I got 16.67 pi inches squared. Now, when you plug this in, 60 over 360 times 10 squared. If you're using the graphing calculator, if you're not using a graphing calculator, 100 times 60 divided by 360, and you should get like 16.66667. You can round it to that. All right. All right, that's it. Happy studying. If you have any questions, let me know.